So welcome back to another informative video. I hope all are doing great by the grace of God. First and foremost, I want to state that this video is not against any individual, nor against any community, organization or government. Just first update to say Chakasan Public Organization has expressed displeasure and dissatisfaction. So Chakasan Public Organization thando satisfied no hoy. Kile mane satisfied no hoy gole itu 2-lane project to ita bi complete hoa nai aro standard of work itu thando delay hoy gila ase itu mane tan khushi na pai. Itu CPO organization Chakasan Public Organization tan pro ko ase ekta press release te CPO and CPO Land 2 committee from Kohima to Jesima Road accused the National Highway and Infrastructure Development and project contractor of failing to meet the commitment. So itu department khan para commitment kora to itu fail hoise aro thik time te itu kam to grow para nai hoina Chakasan Public Organization khan to khushi na paina ekta press release te itu kuina ase itu road project to beshi delayed hoina ase koise aro itu standard of kam to be delayed hoina ase itore moi to apne first short chanai deu pare ase.